Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to create a single scroll bar for a multiple columns in Excel sheet. So let's start the tutorial. So now let's check the final output again. See?
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
Notice on my book to Excel sheet I have some data which contains 3 columns: name, age and location, and it's almost 18 records are there. Now my aim is I will create one scroll bar up to 10 rows, and use the scroll bar. I want to scroll this data. I want to fit that data inside that scroll bar. So I'm creating this new data with the scroll bar in sheet 2. First let's add the title, name, age and location. After that let's add some format styles, 20. Enter. Let's put this in the bold letters. Put everything in the center. Now after adding the headers in the sheet 2, now before add this data to this on this sheet 2, first we require one scroll bar. The scroll bar you get in this developer option. If you don't know how to add the developer, you can go here, file, options. In the options there is a customize ribbon. In the customize ribbon, under main tabs, you need to select this developer. If it's unchecked, check that one, then click OK. You will get the developer is added on the menu. Now click this developer menu option. Inside this developer menu options there is a controls. Inside this controls there is a insert controls are there. Open that one. Inside this insert control there are 2 types of controls. One is a form controls and the second one is the active X controls. Now I am selecting the form control scroll bar. I am selecting the scroll bar and I am adding in this D column. Here I have added. Now after that we need to configure this scroll bar. For that, first select the scroll bar, right click the mouse. After that select the format control. Now in the format control, the last tab contains a control option which contains some properties here, some values we need to select. The current value I am leaving 0 and minimum value is 0 and maximum value I am adding around 10 records. Let's add here. We have how many records we have here? Around 18 records. So I can select the scroll bar, format control. Current value and minimum value I am setting as a 0 and this one I am adding 15. After that increment change. When the scroll drags, I want to increment the changing increment records is 1 only. After that page change I am setting as a 0. Now the last step, cell link, is very important. The cell link, we need to add one empty cell to count the minimum and maximum numbers of scrolling when we are scroll this scroll bar. So first, cell link, notice in the text box there is a button here, click that one. Once click the button control, the format control will become small. After that we can shift sheet 1, open that sheet 1 and select anything, any cell which contains empty cell. Let's select I1. You can select in sheet 2 also, but I am selecting in sheet 1. After that, here the cell name is selected, sheet 1, and which is I1, the cell name. Then click OK. After format this control, next tab, now in the sheet 2, here we require the data, this name, age and hair band. So first select the second A2 cell in sheet 2. Now before adding the formula, first we need to copy this cell link, which is I1. This is very important. We need to set this I1. After that, select A2, write the formula offset. Offset takes 5 parameters. Reference, the reference we are getting from sheet 1. First I am selecting the A2, comma. Now the rows is cell link name, sheet 1, I1 I have selected, no. After that, the columns I am adding 0. That's it. Notice here we got the name Charan. Again, let's copy this formula. Now select B2 cell for the age. Paste the formula which we have entered in A2 cell. Now instead of A2, I am adding B2. The B2 is nothing but age. In sheet 1 I am selecting B2. Notice here we got the age here. Enter. Now again select the cell, drag up to 8 rows. Now select the C3 cell in sheet 2, add the formula which is C2. C2 is the location. Enter. That's it. Now put everything in this center, go to home. Here we got the center, everything. Now let's check the final output. I'm scrolling down, the data is going up. Here we are getting the 0 means the 15 records is finished for that. So we require in the maximum value I am selecting 10. So now let's check the final output again. See? That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to add a single scroll bar to a multiple columns in Excel sheet. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.